guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we have my Eyescream beauty box that I got to get for this month. This is the March box. So if you want to see what is in here, let's go ahead and just get on into it. Alright, so now when you open your box, it says, the best things in life are sweet. And it's a beautiful looking box. There will be peanuts in your box. I already took those out because I can't stand the feeling of them. So those have already been removed. You always get a card that tells you about your products and prices. And our theme for March is beauty in art. So that's exciting. So, because I want to save that palette for last. So we're just going to reach in. First, we do have a pigment, which I think this is a Beauty Moon pigment. I love these. I have 2 of them. Is that what you are? Yes, this is a duochrome loose pigment by Beauty Moon Cosmetics, and this retails for $10. If you love bold, dramatic shifts, this is about to become your new favorite. Ultra pigmented, ultra sparkly, and ultra gorgeous. Wear it alone or mix it into glosses. Apply with a damp brush or mixing medium for high impact. And all of the like. So let's see what color you look like. It looks like a green, blue, teal. Ooh. I love these. Like I said, I have 2 others that I've gotten through Eyescream Beauty. And these are some of my favorite pigments in my collection. Love that. So that's stunning. Then we got boxes. What do we got? Zeesea. We get a lot of Zeesea in Eyescream Beauty box. This is a liquid eyeshadow. This retails for $20. And it's, of course, sealed because I didn't even open these this time. It's just a glitter liquid eyeshadow, which I think I've had one of these before. If so, I will leave this sealed if it's the same kind of shadow. Let me in the packaging. All right. Let's see here. Yeah. Ooh, this one's in the shade number 7. So yes, we've had one of these before, and I had the shade number 12. And these are just a chunkier glitter liquid shadow. They are very pretty, but I'm going to leave this sealed to put in my giveaway. I need to film that and show you guys everything I have set aside. I'm going to leave this set aside for that giveaway. Then we did get to make a choice this month. You don't get to make a choice every month, I don't believe. Or we might get to now. I don't know. I've had to skip a few months. But we got to make a choice on what color lipstick combo you wanted. And of course, this is plastic on it too. But this is from Charmacy, which we get a lot of Charmacy products in Eyescream Beauty Box as well. And this is their dual-ended duochrome gloss and lipstick, which retails for $15. And I got mine in the shade number 3. Which this is what she looks like. So this is the lipstick, and this is the duochrome gloss topper. So now let's see. No real scent. Ooh. Okay, now that's gorgeous. And then for the duochrome lip gloss, oh, it's a brush. No scent on that either. Oh my god. Okay. In love. So stunning. Beautiful, gorgeous. I'm very, very excited to try this. Next, we have, this is from Base Blue Cosmetics, and this is their Artistic Palette, which retails for $53. So it says that this palette is inspired by the famous art piece, The Girl with the Pearl Earring by Johannes Vermeer. And it's a cool neutral eyeshadow palette that contains cool tone browns, gray, blue, red, yellow, etc. Create a subtle sunset look with red and yellow, a soft smoky eye, or mix in some other featured products from this box for a more colorful look. Okay. Why does everything have to have plastic on it, too? Oh, ow. This is why I normally open things, off camera. So when you have carpal tunnel, opening things hurts. Okay, let's take the sleeve off, because we have the fanciest of packaging. Oh. It opens. And this is the painting. Base Blue and Vermeer Artistic Eyeshadow Palette. Okay. Oh. Well, so it's the painting. I've seen this before online. And normally people are just like, I don't know what to do with it. And like, what do you do with it? It's all shimmer. It's all shimmery satin except this little bit of blue in the corner. That's a matte. Everything else is a satin. Like, I don't even know. That's something interesting. That might go in the giveaway because I don't know how to feel about that. It's not that it's bad, but I just don't know how to practically use it. So for now, I'm not going to swatch it. So sorry. But last but not least, we have something we will be swatching because it was something I was so excited about. This is from Clarity Cosmetics, and it's their Stained Glass Pressed Pigment Palette. This retails for $30. And this is their first time featuring Clarity Cosmetics in their box. Let's see. So the box, it looks just like the outer sleeve. Let's peel the mirror peely. Oh, that was a good one. Because I will be keeping this. Here's what she looks like. So we have 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. Oh, this is so pretty. So the top 3 shades are, we have Window to My Soul, Pain in the Glass, and Window Pane. Oh, buddy. The theming of this box, of the greens for March, so on point. And the last 3 are... Oh no, we have 4, because that one's a shimmer too. I thought it was matte. So we only have 2 mattes. So we have Crystal Clear, Picture Perfect, and Tinted Love. Yep. Holy moly. So now let me total up the cost of the box here. And finagle some things, and I'll be right back. Okay, well that liquid lip was no joke. That took forever to get off. Now, if I didn't say that this box, because I don't think I said anything in the beginning, I was so excited to get into this because it's been months since I've had an Eyescream beauty box. It's a $25 a month subscription for 5 beauty items, full size, every month. You always get a palette, guaranteed, and it's supposed to retail for at least $100 plus. Our value this month is $128. So we are much well over that $100 promised value. Like I said, I might not... These are good products. It's just not for me. I just don't need another Zeesea glitter. And I just don't know. The curiosity in me wants to keep this and try it. Maybe make a video, see how I could make a look out of it, a whole look maybe. Like, realistically, would I use it? But if I stuck it in a giveaway, would a random other person use it? So I don't know. I don't know about this. But this is stunning. This is gorgeous. And I always love getting these Beauty Moon Cosmetics pigments. So, very, very happy with this month's box. I'm never disappointed in an Eyescream beauty box. Ever. Just saying. So, that is going to do it for this month's box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.